Hey, it's Kate with WTI. It is so frustrating when you want to go on a picnic or you just want to do a little impromptu moment in nature, but you don't have the right blanket to sit on.
This AMMSUN picnic blanket is just the perfect thing, whether you're using it outside on the grass or at the beach. I love how large this blanket is, so no matter how I lay on it, I totally fit. You're able to fit the whole family on here, and it's a great washable, waterproof material. So even sitting out on the damp grass, it is quick to dry. I can just shake it out and then I'm able to fold it up, and it folds up so compact, and it has a little Velcro attachment as well, so that this is super easy to carry with you. It's not bulky. It can go right into your beach bag or right in the car. I love this beautiful pattern, and it's so nice and comfy too. Even sitting out by the pool, it's the perfect blanket for that. The whole family loves it, as you can see, and I just really appreciate that quilted material and the fact that that is washable, so you can spot clean it if you need to. You can even throw this in the washing machine, and that quilted pattern provides just enough cushioning so that this is super comfy wherever you are going to use it, by the pool, on the beach, on a picnic, on the grass. It's perfect.
I love this picnic blanket. I'm so impressed with the quality, and it is the perfect thing to come with me on my adventures. I think you're going to be really happy with it too, but that's just my point of view.